Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about is null value and also if null value. With is null value we can find the null value in a specific column. For example, here I just run here the structure, select from, I choose the table price table, and here I select all value, put asterisk here, and here under where I want to find the null which are in column of product, so I just type here product is null. That's it. I just run the query. You can see here we have the transaction ID, we have the customer ID, the date, everything, but here the product is null. With if null function we can replace the null values, so that's pretty easy. Just come here and type the structure again, select from, and here I want to use the table price again, and here I want to insert the name of the columns, product, comma, product price, comma. So now I run the if null function. I just type here if null product, the name of the column. After that I want to replace the null values with desk, so I just put this in quotation mark because it's a string, desk, and I name it as product name. And here under from I want to apply some filters here, so I just use from where function, where, and here product price not equal to 1000, and product price is greater than 200, and also I just order this by product code, order by product code, and run the query. That's it. You can see here I have two null values, and I just replace this with disk. So that's it about is null and if null functions. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.